back to the shop and then go throw some gas in this car. That was first! What's up everybody, thanks for tuning into GA Daily. Today I'm going to be teaching my girlfriend how to drive my race car. This guy right here, and my beautiful princess. One of the reasons I'm choosing this car to teach her how to drive in is because I've done a lot of modifications on this car, and you can really feel every bit of the car, of the transmission, of the clutch, of the gears. So it should be a lot simpler to learn how to drive it and feel comfortable with it before I put her behind the wheel of my 17 WRX. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
We're gonna learn how to drive the RS, or I am.
Yeah? You've only driven it once before, right?
Yeah, one time.
And you
in
did
September.
And you did really good at it too.
Yeah.
Why was September?
Yeah.
Wow. So should get the hang of it pretty quickly. You did well last time. So
Yep.
I know we're gonna need some gas eventually too, so I'll let you drive it to the gas station and we'll go from there.
Woo!
So let's have some fun today.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. We're getting inside the car.
Wait.
So the first time using my gimbal inside of a car. This isn't exactly the biggest vehicle. We'll see how everything does.
I don't know how to drive it yet.
That's what the video is about, is teaching you how.
Yeah, but I don't want to get on the main road yet.
We're not getting on the main road. We're just gonna drive around the corners around here.
That's a main road. There's other vehicles.
We'll see. I think this shirt's appropriate. Drive the classic. It's the only way to go around here, except for my daily driver, the 17 WRX.
Ah!
Today's the perfect day to do this because it's feels beautiful outside, so I don't have to run the car with the air conditioning, which makes a huge difference in the way this car drives, the pull on the motor. So it's beautiful out. It's a nice day, and it should be pretty easy to figure out how to drive this thing. So, oh, wrong way. You excited?
Yeah.
Yay! All right, let's do this.
Here's the keys, baby.
I handed them to you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You never handed me keys.
Yes, I did, because they're not on my key ring.
Haha. Yeah, you did. Haha. Wait. Clutch has to be in first, right?
Yep, so neutral. Clutch all the way to the floor.
Wait, I gotta find it first.
It's the third pedal to the left.
I know that. I just don't know where to find it. My cars don't have clutches in them.
They will one day.
I have the key in, right?
Yeah.
Wait. Baby, you gotta tell me what to do.
Keep brake down. Foot on the brake.
Other foot.
Yep. Clutch in.
It's in.
What is it?
Yeah, you gotta start it with the clutch in, right?
Yeah.
So then I gotta put it into first, and then I lift my foot off the clutch, right?
Yep. So clutch in. Put it in first, which is.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay, so then I can let my foot off the brake, right?
Yep. Foot off the brake. Let the clutch out just a little bit. Then you start rolling. Power coming. So clutch back in, brake. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Let the clutch out.
Put the brake in, right?
No, not necessarily. Just let it ease out so you can start rolling.
Well,
And then give it a little bit of gas. Okay, so the clutch is fully engaged, which means you're off the pedal, right? Okay, so
I
turn
am.
left, signal.
Thanks,
Okay,
babe.
give it a little bit of gas. Okay, don't have to change gears because we're gonna slow down by the time we get to this railroad track up here. Easy. Clutch in, brake. Alright. Let the clutch back out a little bit, all the way till it engages. Alright, I'll give it gas.
And then I can let my foot off the clutch now, right?
Yeah, because you're fully engaged into the gear. So, all right, clutch in with the second. It's not in gear.
What do you mean?
Clutch
it's not
in.
clear? Okay.
Let's clutch out. There you go. Now accelerate. Okay. So stay in second all the way till we get up to the stop sign.
Uh huh.
And then to come up to a stop sign, clutch in, let off the gas, and start applying the brake. And put it back in neutral.
Neutral, not first.
Neutral. Let off the brake, give it some gas, and then let the clutch out. Too much gas.
Too much gas.
Okay, now you're fully engaged, so you might as well just keep going. Okay, off the gas, hit the clutch, second gear. Clutch, second gear, let the clutch back out. There you go. Okay, now you just stay in gear until you get to the stop sign, and you can let it gear down.
So how do I do that though?
Just let off the gas and let it gear and let it go down in gear. Okay, now clutch in. Okay, stop the stop sign. Put it back in first. Okay, less clutch. Or less clutch release. So
I want to be in a neighborhood first.
we are in a neighborhood. Clutch in.
Clutch in, right?
Then
And
change.
down.
There you go. You can't pull it out of gear without the clutch. Then give it a little bit of gas and then go to second. Clutch. Yep, and give it some gas. And then just let off the gas, don't put the clutch in, and then just accelerate through this turn in second. Yep. Just like that. And clutch in, put it in third. Clutch out. So clutch out?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Clutch in, hit the brake. Pull it back into neutral. Okay,
Right?
Yep. Keep going, and we'll keep going in circles.
So. Oopsie.
She's doing really well for the second time, so
Okay, so.
just takes practice.
Okay, so like this.
Too much sauce.
Too much sauce.
That was burning the clutch, basically.
Oopsie.
Clutch in. Oh, you're back in first already, right?
I am.
There you go. You got it.
I went from third, second to first.
Awesome.
Oh,
So
I
you
was
rev
out.
matched.
Woohoo! Yeah.
High five.
Okay. So now, Mr. UPS
She
man.
rev matched. Too much sauce.
Honking.
No, you're fine. Easy. Easy on smashing it into gear.
Sorry, Pumpkin. Mr. RS, please don't get mad at me. I just gotta learn to get the clutch and my gas at the same time.
Yep. Well, she's driving it without me, so easy.
No, Pumpkin, I'm sorry.
How you feeling about it so far?
Not so hot because I'm not really doing that great. So what am I supposed to do? Come to the stop and then put it back in first?
You can put it in neutral, or you can hold the clutch while you're in gear. It's entirely up to you. There's like 10,000 different ways to drive a stick shift.
But I'm not supposed to put it into first before I get to the stop.
No, you're supposed to pretty much be less than 5 miles per hour before you put it in first. Because I mean, it'll let you do it, but it kind of has like a lockout, so it keeps you from jamming it in that gear while you're already rolling. So I'm in my own passenger seat. Pop, pop.
Why does it pop like that?
Because I have no cats. Florida.
So I put it in first now.
Yes.
Well,
You already did. I mean, it'll let you do it at a slower speed, but you just want to be careful with it because it's the way it's designed is to not let you like jam it in there while you're rolling. So.
we might as well just get on eBay now and purchase another clutch in case I kill this one.
All right, get one from AJ.
Just saying.
Sauce. She gave it the sauce.
I popped it in a second without using the clutch.
Oh, well, don't do that.
Or popped it back upwards, I'm sorry. Popped it from second to neutral.
Yeah. What do you mean when you let off the gas? You popped it right out without using the clutch?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because everything was leveled together. All the gears were matching. So, like, right when you let off the gas, you can pop it out of gear because it doesn't start decelerating yet and put the torque on the motor.
Well, that's what I did.
I know. So, good job.
Okay. Well, in a second, we're going to get out and we'll take this bad boy to
Gas station?
the gas station. But you're going to drive because I don't trust it.
Okay.
I'm not that, feeling that certified yet.
Got in gear.
Oh, ha ha ha. Okay. Hold on. Science down. Too much sauce.
God, son of
Sorry.
Now we're going to head back to the shop and then go throw some gas in this car. That was first! Alright, so we got the RS filled up. We're about to take Princess out again for another round of learning how to drive the RS. Over here at Go Fast Garage.
Go fast, go.
Here, you can hold it in selfie mode while I pull the car out. Just careful with it.
Okay. So he's gonna back out the RS because I suck at life and can't back out anything except my own vehicle. Like I suck at automatic. Couldn't imagine trying to back up a stick. I mean, before I did it and it was pretty awesome. So can't be mad. So we're just gonna. Ooh, cutie, hey! So here's a sexy ass RS. Look at that. This is the good looking man of my life driving this sexy RS, teaching me the ways of the stick life. Ooh. Okay, in Chinese fire drill.
Here we go. Chinese fire drill.
Oh, ow, kneecap. Just sent it all the way into your dash.
Alright, so here we go. We got the RS gassed up.
Break.
Round 2. And here we go. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
You have to drive my baby. Is that neutral?
Yep.
Yep. Is that because I didn't let the clutch out fast enough?
What?
The little pop?
No, let's get some catless.
Ah.
Talked about that in the first video. Where are your sunglasses?
Over.
That's found the grip point.
Now I can see.
And that little line right there is what you gotta feather when you're like rolling back on a hill a little bit to keep everything, you know, rolling smooth.
What was wrong with that?
You didn't let off the gas when you hit the clutch.
Ooh, it sounded sexy.
There you go. Alright, so we're heading back to the shop now. She's had enough for today, so did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, let's get back to the shop and then we'll wrap this video up and say goodbye to our viewers and subscribers and everything else.
Okay. Here you go. Sorry,
Back
too
at
much
the shop.
juice.
Thanks everyone for checking out our video. This is Princess learning how to drive the RS, the little race car, you know, my little pride and joy. So thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for tuning into GA Daily. Hit that subscribe button, click that little bell so you get notified of new videos.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for new videos in the future. This is GA and Princess. We're out.